This evening I'll be giving a demonstration of the Trail Designs Tri Caldera cone stove. Little wood burning stove in one of the places where wood burning stoves may be deemed the hardest thing to use. I'm here in southeast Alaska's Tongass Rainforest, Tongass National Forest, the largest temperate rainforest in the world. It's been a cloudy, rainy day. It's actually been off and on rain for the last 2 days. I've collected a small pile of sticks from the nearby riverbed. Took a little while to get sticks that weren't completely soaked, but I think I've done all right. And I'll be building a little fire here and trying to cook. This is a 1.3 liter pot. I've got close to a liter of water in there. Easily over 3 cups, 3.5 cups. I like a big hot drink with my dinner. So with this scenario, it's been a wet day. I'm in a wet rainforest where virtually everything is either alive or rotting. Big old growth woods here. And I'm gonna try and light a wood stove. Wish me luck. I have a nice little teepee fire built. Got just a little bit of paper under there, folded up, and a little bit of plastic baggie, which isn't the cleanest thing in the world, but it actually does work tolerably well as a fire starter. I'll probably dab just a couple drops of alcohol on this just to get it started. It's hard to get a match down in there. But with this and the rest of the semi-dry tinder that I've collected, we'll see if we can again cook nearly a liter of water. Will it work? Hard to say. Check back in. It's raining now. We have a rolling boil. Here using the Tri Inferno stove in the Tongass Rainforest. We have nearly a liter of water boiling from semi-dry wood gathered from a nearby creek in a temperate rainforest. I figure if this little thing can work here, it'll probably work just about anywhere. Mike McFerrin checking out. Gonna eat some dinner.